The picture on the screen right here is the reality of it, right? It's literally the reality of it. I can earn money online, Alex, with affiliate by doing this. Is the reality of it, right? Because what are we really doing here, right? What am I really doing here, right? I'm typing on the keyboard, I'm moving a mouse around the computer, I create ads that sell products, I don't ship the product, touch the product, do customer support, I just create the ads. And we also have to understand it's the internet. This shit is 24/7, 7 days a week, across all different countries, not just in New York City. This is why I love affiliate stuff, because I can do this while walking down the street on a daily consistent basis, because the ads are running for me 24/7, 7 days a week, right? Understand this is the internet here, right? It's 24/7, 7 days a week. So the ads that I create sell products that are affiliate products, right? That I don't have to touch, buy, ship, do customer support. I'm just an affiliate. This is why I love this shit.